Hi, naitwa Gadhio and kwa hii lesson nataka tusome how to print one-sided and both-sided on a duplex printer. Now, a duplex printer can automatically print on both sides of a sheet of paper. So, hii duplex printer ni printer yenye inaweza geuza karatasi. So, wewe una print and then you choose to print on both sides, inajigeuzia karatasi automatically, alafu inatoka ikiwa printed on both sides. Now, this saves paper and looks professional, but you must choose the correct settings before printing. Enyewe duplex printer ama a double-sided printer, it's a very good printer. Sio kama one-sided. One-sided lazima ugeuze karatasi wewe mwenyewe, lakini double-sided inafanya hivyo automatically. Excuse me. Lakini sasa ikikuja kwa double-sided printer, you need to be careful with the settings. The first question to ask yourself is, do you need single-sided or double-sided printing? Now, single-sided printing means the printer prints on only one side of the paper, and it's best for certificates, CVs, and official letters. Sasa unapata in most cases, let's look at this example. I have this CV here. This sample curriculum vitae nilikuwa nimeandika kitambo sana. And for duplex printers, let me go to file print. I have this duplex printer Konica Minolta. Na unapatanga duplex printers automatically zinakuanga zimejiselect, zina print on both sides. Unaona hii ndio imejiweka hapa, lakini hapa kuna options. Ukiklik hii arrow kuna options. Kuna hii option ya print one-sided, only print on one side of the page, print on both sides, flip pages on long edge, print on both sides, flip pages on short edge, and manually print on both sides. Although this one is not necessary for a duplex printer unless sasa printer yako ikiwa iko na shida ya kuflip ama kugeuza karatasi uko ndani. Now I want us to focus on this print one-sided. Sasa tumesema hii one-sided printing is best for certificates, CVs, and official letters. Now notice, kabla uchange ile setting imejiweka ni print on both sides. So before you print document yako, unafaa kujiuliza swali moja. Hii document nataka ikiwa one-sided ama nataka ikiwa both sides? Usiende tu hit print. Juu utapata umeprint both sides, the document pengine ulikuwa unataka iprintiwe one-sided. So always check this. Kama CV, because it's an official document, na kuanga smart ukiprint one-sided. So unakuja hapa, una make sure umechange setting to print one-sided, and then you click on print. Sasa ita print karatasi moja moja moja, imeandikwa only on the front side of the paper. So always check that. Wakati mwingine unapata ni tuseme PDF ya certificates. Tuseme kama mtu mostly siku hizi unapata watu wana scan certificates kwa PDF moja. So kuna certificate yako ya college ama degree, kuna ya KCSE, kuna ya KCP and all that, all those certificates and recommendations and all that. Sasa ukikuja kuprint document kama hiyo, huwezi print on both sides. Unataka kila certificate toke kwa page yake. So you have to ensure that you change that setting. Now, this is not a document of certificates, but I want to demonstrate how to print one-sided in PDF using like a software like Adobe Acrobat. Excuse me. So utapata automatically, juu umeselect printer yenye ina print on both sides of the paper, automatically itakuwa checked print on both sides of the paper, na imejiweka flip on long edge. Aya, you should always ensure kama unataka kuprint only on one side of the paper, umeuncheck hii. So ikue high print on both sides in a print, only on one side of the paper. So if that is what you want, make sure you uncheck that, because it is usually checked by default. Ama hiyo ndio setting inakuanga imejiweka, and then you click on print. We cancel that because I don't want to print. Haya, then tuko na hii tuko na, we are done with that single-sided printing. Just make sure you don't print double-sided. Kitu nataka inahitajika ikuwe single-sided. Now double-sided printing, also called duplex or back-to-back, prints on both sides of the paper. Haya, sasa double-sided printing wakati mwingine inaitwa duplex or back-to-back. Utapata customer amekwambia na niprintie back-to-back, ama nataka on both sides, ama duplex, depending vile wanaelewa mambo ya printing. Now it's useful for student exams, notes, booklets and bulk printing. So kama tuseme kama ni hizi notes natumia hapa actually kufunza hii lesson. Ukikuja kuprint, let's go to file and print on both sides. Yeah, that saves paper. Juu sasa ile kitabu utakuwa nayo, this one is 39 pages, ile kitabu utakuwa nayo at the end itakuwa at least hiyo kitabu kubwa sana. If it has 40 pages, you'll have 20 sheets. So alafu inakuanga imegeuzwa, it's printed on both sides, so your karatasi una flip to, nageuza, unaona the content on the next side. So it's useful for students exams or notes, booklets and bulk printing. Pia sasa exams kama hizi, you print on both sides of the paper. You don't need to waste so much paper printing one-sided. Una print on both sides. Ndio pia hadi bei if you are selling or the service, ukiprintia customer utamlipisha at least a cheaper price because you are using less paper, because you are printing on both sides of the paper. So, and bulk printing ni kumaanisha kitu kubwa. If you're printing a very large document, it's always good to use double-sided printing. Sasa kama kitabu ni kubwa sana na print one-sided, sasa itakuwa kubwa zaidi. But with double-sided printing you have the option of, ama unafanya hiyo kitabu ikue less by half. Haya, now note, if printing for a customer, always ask whether they want single-sided or double-sided. If they are unsure, choose the right settings for them. The customer is always right. Always ask whether they want single-sided, single or double-sided. So customer akisema nataka single-sided, ukiona kama hizo pages ni mingi, wewe mwambie unalipisha pesa ngapi, ndio afanye considerations zake. Bado kama anataka single-sided, sawa, umprintie single-sided. Now if they want double-sided, usiprint single-sided. So double-sided also, if they want it double-sided, even if you think it should be single-sided, you can give them your opinion, lakini kama nataka tu hivyo double-sided, na print double-sided, because the customer is always right. Ndiye anajua kwenye anaenda kufanya na hiyo document. So if they are unsure, choose right settings for them. Utapata customer umemuuliza unataka single-sided ama double-sided, unataka back-to-back ama unataka ikuwe imeandikwa tu side moja, haelewi. So you check, unaangalia document yenyewe, kama unaona inafaa kuprintiwa one-sided, kama ni CV ama ni certificate, unamprintia one-sided na pia unamwambia bei. Kama unaona ni kama booklet hivi, na anauliza kama hayuko sure kama ni one-sided ama both-sided, unaweza mwambia tukiprint both-sided it will be cheaper and use less papers. Tukiprint single-sided it will be more expensive and use more papers. So afanye decision yake sasa, alafu umprint vile anataka, but always ask. Juu sasa ukiprint alafu amko umeelewana na customer, hiyo hasara anaweza rudisha kwako, kwambia sikuwa nataka uniprint hivi, nilikuwa nataka one sided, nilikuwa nataka both sided, na wewe umenifanyia the other way. Let's go to flipping options, long edge versus short edge. Now when printing double sided, the pages can flip or turn in two ways, and this depends on the orientation of the document. Haya, sasa wacha kwanza tuangalie what it means, hii mambo ya long edge and short edge, because those are the terms that you find when you come to printing. Unapata printing on both sides, flip pages on long edge, print on both sides, flip pages on short edge. So when printing double-sided, mambo ni mawili, either you flip on long edge or you flip on short edge. Now edge basically means side, the side of the paper. For a portrait orientation, na portrait ni kusema document yenyewe imesimama, it is tall, okay, towards the top. It's portrait. Na picha, kama ni picha tunasemanga picha kama hii ni portrait because it is tall. Alafu hii ingine tunaita landscape because it is wide. Again in documents, the same case in documents, this is portrait, this is landscape. Landscape ni wide, it's wide towards the right side or the left side. Alafu urefu ni mdogo. So the edges basically means the sides. The short edge is the short side, the long edge is the long side. As you can see, in portrait, the long edge is on the left, the short edge is on the top and the bottom, and also the long edge also on the right. Short edge, the side, the short edge is on the left and the right, long edge is on the bottom and the top, because also these are edges, and it's edge basically the side. Long edge means long side, short edge means the short side. So when you're flipping on the long edge, ita flip you ama itakuwa turned on this side. If you are flipping on short edge, itakuwa turned on this side. Now let's look at each of them at a time. Flip on long edge. As you can see, this paper is being flipped or turned along the long edge. Yani kama imebaidiwa hapa kwa side ama imekuwa tu stapled. So it's being flipped along the long edge. So the page is flipped or turned on the long edge. It's best for portrait documents and prevents the back page from printing upside down. Now let's look at this example here. Actually, let's just use our notes. He print preview unaona. We have what we call flip on long edge. The long edge is this side. So actually the flipping will be very good because ukisha print itakuwa ikifungua tu from left to right ikiwa na urefu yake. Let's look at how to do that in this PDF. Let's go to file and print. The document is portrait, and we are going to flip on long edge. So if this is not checked, print on both sides, ensure it's flipping on the long edge. Uzuri documents zina flip on the long edge ni ati mostly utapata hizo documents ndizo una deal nazo in most of the time. Na actually he flip on long edge is the one that is usually automatically selected, but it's good to be keen to be sure that that is what you want. So kama ni kitu ni portrait, then just flip it on the long edge. As you can see, this is portrait, this is the long edge. Best way to flip is flipping on the long edge. Itatoka hivyo. Ukikosea uprint a portrait document alafu uiambie flip on the short edge, utapata imetokea ikiwa upside down. Page ya kwanza iko sawa, ukigeuza tu hivi unapata sasa imeka upside down. So make sure you flip portrait documents on the long edge. Haya, let's go to flipping on short edge. So the page is flipped or turned on the short edge. So there is a short edge. As you can see, this is the upper quadrant, this is the short edge. This is a landscape document. Landscape like this one. And it's wide. The page is flipped or turned on the short edge. Best for landscape documents, also prevents upside down pages. So document yako inatokea tu hivi. Aya, let's look at an example kwa PDF. I don't have one in Word. Let's just look at PDF. As you can see, this is portrait. This one is landscape. Haya, in schemes of work. So it's a large document. Let's go to File, Print. As you can see, even in the print preview, inakuonyesha hii document ni landscape. Okay? Just by the look of it. Orientation hapa huwa haiweki either. It's usually automatic, auto portrait or landscape. But you need to make sure it's not flipping on long edge, it's going to flip on the short edge. So make sure when printing landscape documents, you change the setting from flip on long edge to flip on short edge. Dio ikitoka itoke vile inafaa. Na inafaa aje? Inafaa ku flip on the short edge. Dio mwenye anasoma anageuza karatasi from the left to the right. Vile inafaa. Just again ukiprint, tuseme usahau ku change hii setting of flip on long edge. Utapata page ya kwanza iko sawa, ukiturn unaona iko upside down. Upside down. Sasa customer unaweza mprintie hivyo aseme, kwani umeprint aje? Siku nataka hivi ni printie tena. You'll have wasted paper. So it's always good to check on that. Now, orientation, usually orientation ni kitu tu ya kuangalia na macho. Borake ujue portrait, it's long on the ni ndefu pande ya juu. Landscape ni ndefu on the sides. Sawa sawa? Remember this picture. This is landscape. This is portrait. This is landscape. Kama ni landscape, flip on the short edge because the short edge is this side. Kama ni portrait, flip on the long edge because this is the long edge. Ndio itokee vile inafaa. Haya, kitu kama Word inakwambia pia orientation. Ukiprint, ukikuja hapa tu Control P, of course you can see it's portrait, but it also tells you it's portrait orientation. So if you're not sure, you can check that kama uko kwa Word. Juu kama hii PDF inakwambia tu ina automate. It doesn't check whether it's portrait or landscape. Higher rules to remember: if the document orientation is portrait, make sure you flip it on long edge. If it's landscape, make sure you flip it on short edge. Na pia ukumbuke, before you print, uliza hii document inaprintiwa one-sided ama inaprintiwa on both sides. Check the document, determine, is it supposed to be printed one-sided? Kama ni certificates, that is how it should be, or both sides. So, and make the right decision. So that is all about printing one-sided and both-sided on a duplex printer. Natumai hii video imekusaidia. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Gadio.